ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. It was first released in November 2022 and quickly became popular for its ability to generate human-quality text. However, in recent months, there have been some concerns that ChatGPT's performance may be declining. There are a few reasons why people might think that ChatGPT's performance is getting down. First, some users have reported that ChatGPT is no longer generating as creative or interesting text as it used to. Second, there have been some reports of ChatGPT generating text that is factually incorrect or offensive. Third, ChatGPT has been criticized for its lack of diversity. However, there are also some people who believe that ChatGPT's performance is still as good as ever. They argue that the reports of ChatGPT generating incorrect or offensive text are isolated incidents, and that the model's overall performance is still very impressive. They also point out that ChatGPT is constantly being updated and improved, and that it is likely to only get better over time. The debate about ChatGPT's performance is likely to continue for some time. However, it is clear that the model is still one of the most advanced chatbots available. It is also clear that OpenAI is committed to improving ChatGPT, and that the model is likely to continue to evolve over time. How will ChatGPT's performance affect current users? If ChatGPT's performance does decline, it could have a number of negative consequences for current users. First, users may be less likely to use ChatGPT if they are not happy with the quality of the text it generates. Second, users may be more likely to experience frustration or disappointment when using ChatGPT if it generates incorrect or offensive text. Third, users may be less likely to recommend ChatGPT to others if they are not satisfied with its performance. What is the future of ChatGPT? The future of ChatGPT is uncertain. If OpenAI is able to address the concerns about ChatGPT's performance, then the model could continue to be a popular and successful chatbot. However, if OpenAI is not able to address these concerns, then ChatGPT's popularity could decline. How will ChatGPT's rivals utilize the discussion about its performance? ChatGPT's rivals are likely to closely monitor the discussion about the model's performance. They will be looking for any signs that ChatGPT's performance is declining, and they will be looking for ways to capitalize on any weaknesses that ChatGPT may have. If ChatGPT's performance does decline, then its rivals are likely to try to position themselves as a more reliable and trustworthy alternative. They may also try to highlight the features that make them different from ChatGPT, such as their focus on diversity or their commitment to accuracy. Overall, the debate about ChatGPT's performance is likely to have a significant impact on the future of the model. If ChatGPT's performance does decline, then it could lose market share to its rivals. However, if OpenAI is able to address the concerns about ChatGPT's performance, then the model could continue to be a popular and successful chatbot.